Well, what's your favorite era sa PBB?
Siguro yung first few weeks. First few weeks ko. So, yun, yung Paris.
So, masasabi bang inspired ka kanina nung nagluluto kayo ni Dustin?